Hi guys, for this DIY Christmas project, all the materials needed for this project will be listed in the video and also in the description box of this video. For this project, you will need 3 colors of acrylic paint: beige, brown, and white. You will also need a plywood or a plywood sheath which has a length of 48 inches and a width of 13.5 inches. A good size to fit in a headboard of a queen-size bed. So I just found this plywood at our garage and I thought I would make use of this for this Christmas. So you will start by pouring paint using the beige acrylic paint on the plywood and just paint it with a regular brush, a regular paint brush. And you will use a pencil to write the words or your lettering. So the words would be "Baby, it's cold outside," which is a flirty sign. And I like that sign so much. And the reason why we're using pencil, because if it's your first time, it's easy for you to do it over again by erasing it and just writing the letters accordingly. Use the brown acrylic paint to write the letters. You can paint over the pencil marks that you wrote earlier to outline it, and that's easier for you because you're just tracing the letters using the brown acrylic paint. I want mine to be very personalized, so I'd rather use my own handwriting rather than using a stencil. And of course, you can save money by not buying stencils for this project. Guys, you can use white acrylic paint to create shadows on your letters. It will make your letters look prettier rather than not having shadows. So I'll show you how easy it is to do. So if your light source is on the left side, the shadows of your letter should appear on the right side. If the light source is on your right, then the shadows will be on the opposite side, which is your left. My light source is on my left, so I'm shadowing the right side of my letters. So I'm using white acrylic paint, shadowing the right side of my letters. So let's see how this Christmas sign would look on my bedroom wall. Come and join me for a Christmas bedroom tour.
The snow is falling and the cold wind is blowing hard. I'm locked inside tonight, but my heart is somewhere else. I'm thinking of you, babe, and all your crazy ways. I miss you more right now. It must be these holidays. You know you're my everything, the only present I want. And oh, what I give to be with you under the mistletoe. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Yeah, I got you on my mind. Merry Christmas from a distance. I wish you were here tonight. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Yeah, I got you on my mind. Merry Christmas from a distance. I wish you were here tonight. Oh, what I give to have you here, my dear. We could sing and laugh about our wonderful year. I can see it now, yeah, your lips stained from the wine, and that sweet smile you have, your hand in mine. You know you're my everything, the only present I want. Oh, what I give to be with you under the mistletoe. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. I got you on my mind. Merry Christmas from a distance. I wish you were here tonight. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Yeah, I got you on my mind. Merry Christmas from a distance. I wish you were here tonight. I'm dreaming you home for the holidays. I'm dreaming you home right now. I'm dreaming you home because you're all I really want. I'm dreaming you home tonight. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Yeah, I got you on my mind. Merry Christmas from a distance. I wish you were here tonight. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Yeah, I got you on my mind. Merry Christmas from a distance. I wish you were here tonight. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Yeah, I got you on my mind.